Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And we have mystery polishes. I got these 8 polishes from Polish and Beauty Expo 2025. Some of them I purchased, some of them were free gift with purchase. I don't know what's in any of them, but we're gonna find out together. So I'm gonna scoot these to the side. We're gonna go through them one by one, open them up, have a look, do a little swatchy swatch. Let's get started. I'm gonna open these in no particular order, so let's just start with this one. I can't even remember where it's from. Okay, so we have PI colors. This one is called Supernumerary Bow 000. It actually looks pretty similar to another polish I got from them. And I love that one, so I think I'll love this one too. All right, so this one, in my opinion, I describe these as like opalescents. They've got this white shimmery base with these assorted colors of flakies. This is definitely one of my favorite styles of polishes. They look beautiful on their own and as a background for decoration. I love it. I think next, let's open one of these square ones for a little variety. So this one's a KB Shimmer. Ooh. All right, so this color is Mystery number 3. Interesting, so it doesn't even have a name. This isn't like a previously made polish that they're just clearing off. This is specific for PBE 25. Let's check it out. All right, so this one is a bit of like a rosy pink linear hollow. I do love a dense micro glitter hollow. That is quite pretty. You can use colors like this as like a nude but with pizzazz, or you can use them in combination with other polishes. They work beautifully together. I like it. Let's try one of these Sassy sauce bags. Oh my goodness, that is stunning. It is called A Breath of Fresh Air. It is Polish Pickup February 2025. It's a magnetic. Exciting. So this is gorgeous on its own. It is this purple base with all of these beautiful glitters in it, but let's magnetize it. All right, so it pulls all of the purple together in the magnetic, and then it leaves like this black sheer base, and the sparkles are left in the base as well. They're like a greeny bluey shift. That is lovely. I'm a sucker for a magnetic. This would also work really well for a galaxy. Let's open this gold one. It is, I'm not sure. The seaweed is always greener from somebody else's lake. Maybe this is from Victorian Varnish. Yes. So it looks like the seaweed is always greener on someone else's lake was actually the name of this polish, and I'm already loving it. Oh yes, look at the sparkle on that. I would even consider this a jewel toned polish. That is stunning. I can't wait to use this one. It's so pretty. Let's open another one of these from PI Colors. Oh, so this one is a nice flaky blue called Paradise Blue 000. I wonder what these zeros mean. That is so pretty. It is a sky blue shade. And the flakies seem to be like a goldy, orangey type shimmer, which I think is very complimentary. Quite a beautiful combination of colors there. Yes, you can kind of see it when I pull it down like this so that light's not so reflective. That's gorgeous. Let's do another one of these KB Shimmer polishes. That looks a little familiar. It's different. So this is Sip Back and Relax, not mystery number 3, though they are quite similar. This one seems to be a little darker though, but let's look at it. All right, yeah, so once you swatch, this is very different. This is more of a dark red, almost a bloody red, but with a little berry. It is also that linear hollow though, which I am a fan. Very beautiful polish, very jewel-like. I like it. Let's open this other Sassy Sauce one. Ooh. Now this is an interesting one we have here. It's called Can't Hide My Pride from Hella Handmade Creations of June 25. Yes, that is very beautiful. I would like to build this one up in a couple of layers, though it does look stunning on its own, and I like that sheer clear base. But when you build up those layers, it's just gonna add more depth to these assorted glitters, which I'm loving. There's also flakies in there, and then also there is like a pinky purple shimmer that runs throughout that clear base that you don't really see until it's turned in the light or built up, and it's kind of this color. I like that. That's gorgeous. Last but not least, we have this sparkly hollow box, and I have no idea who it's from. I am going to need a tool to get this open. And it's in cardboard, so it's even more mysterious. It's something. Lurid Lacquer. Important fluffy business. Lola's birthday bash. Oh, how pretty. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, that is a beautiful light pink shimmer with a bit of a peachy micro glitter shimmer running throughout. You can see it kind of when I turn it like this. That is beautiful. I actually have a dip powder that's very similar to this that I love. And so I like that I will now have this option in nail polish, which is much easier to apply and way less allergenic. That is stunning. So to recap, we got these 8 gorgeous and beautiful nail polishes, all in some form of mystery, whether it was purchased or given. And I can say I love them all. There's not a single one here that I dislike and would not like to wear, which is wonderful, because with mysteries, you just never really know what you're gonna get. Let me know if you got any of these polishes as well. Let me know if you want any of these polishes and if you're gonna try and go collect them after the fact via D-Stash or the website of whatever the brand is that you want. Let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are on what I got here, what you like, if you don't like any of them, and let me know your favorite thing that you got at PBE as well. There is plenty more PBE content coming, so definitely stay tuned. Make sure that you are subscribed. I don't know in which order these videos are being posted, but there will be an overview of what to expect from PBB. There will be a unboxing and bagging of my VIP bag. There is this mystery polish, and then there's going to be about 7 videos following of nail polishes that I purchased. Some of them are exclusive to one brand, and some of them are a little combo for ones that I got a fewer amount of, just so there's a reasonable amount for that video. But you want to be here for all of that. So again, make sure you're subscribed so you do get notified. Make sure that you do hit that like button if you liked this video. The algorithm thanks you, and so do I. Check out my links in the description. You can find my socials down there, and you'll want to be following those. Sometimes I post things over there that I don't post over here. And thank you again for watching this video. If you made it to the end, leave me a nails emoji so that I know you made it. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.